Students, today we are going to learn more about types of sentences. Let's learn transforming the sentences. The question will be transform the sentences. Let's take the example. First one. Do we eat fruits for breakfast? Do we eat fruits for breakfast? So what type of sentence is this? You understand that this is interrogative because it is a question and it ends with a question mark. So whenever you have a sentence, first identify what type of sentence it is. So now you know it is interrogative. Now we need to transform this sentence to another type. Okay? So how will you do that? It can be declarative. Declarative means a statement, isn't it? So for changing it to declarative, what we need to write first? First we need to write the subject. Okay? So here we have we as the subject. So we will write we, then eat. This is our word, eat. Rest of the sentence will remain same. We eat fruits for breakfast. Okay? So this is declarative. It is just a statement, isn't it? What else can be done? We can even form imperative sentence from this given question, isn't it? We can say, eat fruits for breakfast. So here we are giving order, or it is a command that eat fruits for the breakfast. So eat fruits for breakfast. Full stop. Now you know that imperative sentences generally begin with a verb, okay, and they end with a full stop. Imperative sentences are commands or requests. Okay, so it is not necessary that always you will be given a declarative sentence and then you will be asked to change it to interrogative or nothing like that. You can be even given other types of sentences and you will have to transform this given sentence into other types. Okay, now let's come to second example. Please give me your pencil. Okay, so please give me your pencil. What type of sentence is this? Please. That means it is a request. So this is imperative, isn't it? Now let's try and change it to some other type of sentence. What can it be? We can easily frame a question from this given statement, isn't it? So what will be that question? Will you please give me your pencil, isn't it? So whenever you are framing a question, you will write the helping verb first. You have already learnt about auxiliary verb, isn't it? So, will you please give me your pencil? Now, don't forget to put a question mark. So, now you have changed this given sentence to interrogative. Okay? This is interrogative. Okay? Let's come to third example. Does Ravi have the book? Okay. Does Ravi have the book? Question. So you know this is interrogative. Now we will change it to declarative. But when I say declarative, two answers are possible. I can say Ravi has the book, because you know interrogative questions have either yes as the answer or no as the answer. Correct? So I can say Ravi has the book. Okay. Ravi has the book. Full stop. Or it can also be Ravi does not have the book. Okay? Ravi does not have the book. Okay? Now, you have to be very careful while reading the instruction given. Okay? Suppose if I say change it to declarative. Only if I say declarative, then both the answers are correct. Because you already know declarative type of sentence is just a statement. Okay? But, so declarative sentences can be affirmative or negative. This you already know now. But when I say change this type of sentence into negative, then obviously you should include the word not in it. Unless you use the word not, it will not be a negative sentence. म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की डिक्लेरेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स आहेत ती आयदर ॲफर्मेटिव्ह असू शकतात किंवा निगेटिव्ह असू शकतात. ओके. मग जर का तुम्हाला क्वेश्चनच असा विचारला आहे की चेंज दिस टाईप ऑफ सेंटेन्स टू डिक्लेरेटिव्ह, म्हणजे डिक्लेरेटिव्ह म्हणजे दोन्ही बरोबर असू शकतात. ॲफर्मेटिव्ह केलं तरी बरोबर आहे किंवा निगेटिव्ह केलं तरी बरोबर आहे. पण जर का तुम्हाला स्पेसिफिकली सांगितलं आहे की चेंज दिस टू ॲफर्मेटिव्ह, ओके, देन जर ॲफर्मेटिव्ह म्हटलं तर ते सेंटेन्स ॲफर्मेटिव्हच पाहिजे, त्यामध्ये नॉट हा वर्ड असता कामा नाही. जर का तुम्हाला निगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स बनवायला सांगितलं तर मग यू शुड सी टू इट, लक्षात ठेवून नॉट हा वर्ड निगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्समध्ये वापरायचाच आहे. ओके, म्हणून क्वेश्चन नीट वाचणं खूप आवश्यक आहे. सो बी व्हेरी व्हेरी केअरफुल while reading the question. Okay, now let us come to fourth example. Fourth example is, wow, what a beautiful dress it is. Fourth one, wow, what a beautiful dress it is. What type of sentence is this? You know, this is exclamatory sentence. Why? Because it is expressing strong feelings. Correct? So now let us transform this sentence into a declarative sentence. Okay, that means we are just going to write a statement. So how will you do it? Here again you will have to find out what is the subject. Now what are you talking about? You are talking about a dress. You are describing a dress, and see the word it is used here. Okay, so we will write it first. It is a very beautiful dress. Okay, so your answer will be, it is a very beautiful dress. Full stop. Okay, don't forget to put full stop. It is very very important. So this is the way you can transform an exclamatory sentence to declarative. Okay, important thing to be remembered here is, it is पासून आपण सुरुवात केली आणि very हा word यूज केल्यामुळे we are again expressing feelings, but the form of sentence is declarative because we are not using any exclamation mark or any interjection. Okay, so this is again a declarative statement, declarative sentence. Now let us come to next example. Okay, will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? Question. So what type of sentence is this? This is interrogative. Now you know it. Now if I say that change it to declarative, then again you will have two answers. Okay, you will not come tomorrow, which is negative, or you will come tomorrow, which is affirmative. Both are correct only when you are asked to form declarative sentence. But if I specifically ask to form a negative sentence, then it will be you. So if I ask to change it to negative, this is interrogative, but you are going to change to negative. Then it will be you will not. Okay, so this not word is very very important. You will not come tomorrow. Okay, and you can also form imperative sentence from this. If I ask you to form imperative sentence, now you know imperative means command or request. Okay, so what would it be? It will be just come tomorrow. is a command, okay? Or it can also be please come tomorrow, which is a request. So when you are asked to change to imperative, then it will be come tomorrow. Okay, or please come tomorrow. Both are correct. Okay, so what type of sentence is this? This is imperative. Follow? Now let us have one more example. I will not go there again. Okay, the sentence is I will not go there again. So, what type of sentence is this? This is declarative. Okay, and of course not is used, so it is negative. Now let us change it to exclamatory. Now how will you change it to exclamatory? Obviously we will have to add strong feelings, that means you will have to add interjection and exclamation mark. Don't forget that. So I will say, now this is negative sentence. So how we will frame the exclamatory sentence? Oh no, I will not go there again. Yes? So we will write, here we will change this to exclamatory. This arrow means change this to exclamatory. Okay? So what will be your answer? Oh no. Oh no, I will not go there again. Exclamation mark. Okay. So now we have added the strong feelings and also the exclamation mark. Okay. This is the way you can transform the given sentence. Okay. Now can we form interrogative sentence from this? Yes, why not? Will I go there again? Question mark. Followed. Whenever you are forming interrogative sentence, remember it always starts with a auxiliary verb and it ends with a question mark. Start with auxiliary verb, then comes the subject, then comes the main verb. Okay, rest of it as it is, and question mark is very important. So today you have again learned how to transform the sentences into other types. So homework for you today will be solve the examples discussed in the video in your English notebook.